Okay, so if you're looking to get a quick hitch attachment for your 3-point hitch on your tractor, you're going to need to get one set of bushings for each individual implement you plan on using with that quick hitch. So here we have one set for a Class 2 implement and one set for a Class 1 implement. Now the quick hitches are all the same size on the outside where the implements hook up. So you'll notice the Class 1 and Class 2 bushings here are the same outside measurement. The difference is on the inside. Obviously a Class 1 pin is smaller, so you're going to have a smaller inside, and the Class 2 pin's a little bit bigger, so it's a bigger inside. But again, same outside measurement for the quick hitch itself. So that's the differences, and that's what you're going to need to make that quick hitch work on your implements. Now we're going to get into how to install these. So here we have a Class 1 grader blade, and you'll notice in the video review I did of this quick hitch how I put it on there, and you could see the fit was a little sloppy. I didn't have these bushings to put on this implement at that time. I'm going to show you again now real quick how this would fit on there without the bushings. And you'll have to excuse me not having this on the tractor. I just put my backhoe on the other day and I'm in the middle of doing some projects with that. But with this on there, you see how sloppy of a fit that is. That's why you need these bushings for every implement that you want to use the quick hitch with. So now again, when you buy the quick hitch bushings, they're going to come in pairs like this. Obviously each implement needs one on each side, and then they're going to come with 2 roll pins. So now we're going to go over installing this. So you're very simply just going to take the bushing and slide it over the pin on your implement, and you're going to have the thickest part facing the out. And then you have 2 sets of holes in the bushing, and you'll notice they're slightly offset. Find the set that lines up with your holes, and that's the ones we're going to use. If I went to these holes here and pushed all the way in, you'll notice they're slightly off. So I need to use the other set of holes, slide it out to where it's nice and lined up, and I'm simply going to hammer my roll pin right down in there to lock it on. So now I'll do the same for the other side. And better late than never, let me point out, you do have a beveled side. You'll notice the one end has a bevel to it. That's the side that you're going to drive in first. The other side is more squared off. And so now that we have those installed, let me show you how much tighter of a fit we have with our quick hitch. And so you see that fits right in there just the way it was designed, to have a nice tight lock on the implement. So now we can, when we move our handles out, that locks on there good and tight. And that's all there is to installing quick hitch bushings on your implements for use with your quick hitch attachment. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks for the support.